these I think are your ACs right here.
Okay.
So it looks like these are going to be your ACs.
Okay.
These are 3 phases. You have 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
1, 2, 3. The same space as this. Look at 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
So that's where you have A, B, and C.
Okay.
So what's happening is this bucket, it's called a bucket plug.
Okay.
It actually comes off of this. This is your bus ducting.
Okay.
So from here, it goes into here, comes out of here. See this 2-inch? This 2-inch pipe right here?
Okay.
Comes in here and feeds that panel.
Okay, so it goes from this thing to this thing.
Yeah, so where it looks like your problem is, so far, which I haven't pulled it out, is your problem is behind here. These are bussing. See these bars right here?
Yeah.
This is just a cap that goes over it. You have individual bussings here. You have a 4-wire. You have a neutral, hot, hot, and hot. It's A, B, and C. Mm-hmm. And then right behind here, with all this water, see the water ruts? See the water over here? Yeah. Probably got back inside there, and it just rusted it out.
Okay,
You're gonna have carbon buildup. I know when you pull this off, but you don't want to pull this off hot. I have to shut all the power off.
Okay.
Because this thing's pretty heavy. Once you pull this off, it's just a big plug that you have to force on. Once you get it pushed in, then you put the clamps on. But it looks like your problem's going to probably be behind here most likely from all this water that's in here.
Okay, so for now, for the ones that aren't working on the ACs, what can we do? Like.
Okay. So what my theory is thinking that A is bad in here. So what happens is that A that comes here, it's going to be A, and then A every 3. It's going to be A. Then another A. So this is part of your AC. That leg's going to be gone. This leg's going to be gone. This leg's going to be gone.
Okay.
So
that would explain the numerous problems.
Yeah. So your problem is still going to be this though.
Okay.
Your problem isn't really here, but even though this is all water, within years you're probably going to start having problems with that too. But most likely, if you're lucky, this is your problem. If it goes further down, which I don't think it does because it's all 480.
Yeah.
So what I would have to do, what I'm thinking what I would have to do is take this, pull it out. If your busing is bad, which most likely it is, we can't use this same spot.
Okay.
You got to put it in here. See this cap here?
Yeah.
So then this is a good cap. So we're going to pull this out, take this, put a new one, not use this because your jaws are probably tore up and burnt up, and this busing is probably burnt up. It's probably not really good. So we'll get a new one and put it in here, on this new busing here.
Okay.
With another bucket.
Okay.
But the only thing that comes in, now that's easy, but look at this. See this rigid pipe?
Yeah.
I now have to get a conduit from here to go around to go into there.
Okay.
Okay, that's one option, what you could do. Depending on the style of bus duct, that you can pull this out and you can replace these blades that are in here. So there's 2 different ways you can do it. What I just told you, and then the other way is to pull this out, replace just the bus bar, and then put a new bus bucket in.
Okay.
Make sense?
New bar, new bucket, and that's the easiest, and that will make all those better.
Yeah, well what happened is, and then that A will become energized again. Every one, remember we had problems before, so every 3rd one, A would be good, or whatever, I can't remember if it was A, B, or C, but that phase will come alive again, and then you would have 3 phases for your AC, 3 phases for all your ACs.
Okay. Okay. That sounds intricate.